Hey friends, so in 2017 I was still in college, and at that time it was really tough for me to buy food and groceries. Even going out with my friends, it was really hard because I didn't have enough money. But for me right now, I wish I knew earlier about all these opportunities that can really change your life as a student and can really give you like a lot of money just by doing what I'm going to show you in this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you and I'm going to tell you the best side hustle that can make you decent amount of money. But the good thing about this is that I tried one of these and I made up to $60,000 out of this side hustle that I'm going to show you right now. So you have to stay with me, and I really hope that all these side hustle are really going to help you in one way or another. So let's dive in. I recently joined on this website that you can sell your own photos on this platform, which is called FOB, and you can sell starting $5 up to $50. It just depends on what kind of photos that you're going to sell on this platform. It can be a photo about a tree, it can be photos about good area, it can be photos about ocean. So if you think you're just going to take any pictures and you think this picture that you're taking right now from your mobile phone, it will attract people, you can go ahead and join on this website, which is called FOB, and this website will help you to get money by selling your photos on this platform. A lot of people are making up to $1,000, and there are too many websites that I want you to go ahead and try to sell your own photos that you take from your mobile phone. There are this website which is called Alamy, Ads, Get Image, and Adobe Stock. These are platforms that can pay you by selling your own photos or different photos that you take from your mobile phone on this platform, and you can get a lot of money. So this can be the best side hustle that you can start as a student, or anyone who will be interested on doing this. You can start earning money through that. Alright, so I'm really excited about this coming side hustle because I have experience on this. I tried it and it made me decent amount of money. Content creation. You can absolutely change your life by becoming a content creator, and I say this because I tried this and it has changed my life in a very good way. So if you're still at a young age, you still have great chance for you to start learning new things about content creation. It can be Instagram, it can be TikTok, it can be YouTube. You have to go forward and join on these different platforms that can allow you to become a content creator, and you can start making decent amount of money. So let's say that you are 16 years old or 35 years old. You'll be in a position to start learning new things and start making money by becoming a content creator. I made over $65,000 just by becoming content creator. And I remember at that time it was 2018, and I was becoming more serious on posting like day to day, and at that time I was generating at least $500 every single month, $1,000 every single month. And for me at that time, that money was enough for me to buy food and groceries and buy clothes. So if you're a student, I think you still have a great opportunity for you to go ahead and start making money by becoming a content creator. This can really change your life as a student, and anyone who is watching this, you can be a student or you're not a student. This content creation can really change your life in a very good way. You just have to be persistent, but also you just have to be posting like every single week or every single day, back to back, and you will see success. I promise you that. I have this huge channel and I post about entertainment. It has more than 600,000 subscribers, which is a lot of subscribers. So you really have to go ahead and try out and see how much you're really going to make by becoming content creator. Alright, so next we have social media management. If you really love scrolling on Instagram or TikTok, I think this is your time to turn this into money making method, and you can make a lot of money just by doing that. And this means you will be in a position of handling social media accounts for someone else. It can be small business or individual, and your job will be to create posts responding to commented messages from different customers from this company that has hired you to run their social media's account. So you will have to do that, and the best way for you to do that, let's say that you're staying in this area that you think there is this hotel that has no Instagram account. You have to reach out to this hotel and ask them if you can work for them as a social media manager. And I think there are a lot of hotels out there. It can be hotels, it can be supermarket, it can be anywhere that you think you can run their account and you can get paid just by doing that. I really recommend you really have to go there because there are a lot of people who are making decent amount of money just by doing that. Writing and graphic designing. So you can get paid reasonable amount of money if you're willing to offer your services like writing or graphic designing on this website like Fiverr and Upwork. On this website you will be able to find different clients that may want to work with you, and they pay decent amount of money. As you can see right here on this website, there is high demand for the position like this, so people may pay you for writing the articles and designing good graphic for them. You can make up to $25,000 up to $40,000. So you may want to go ahead and start creating good graphic for anyone who is willing to work with you, but also you can write good articles, good books. Just by doing that, you can get decent amount of money. So I really encourage you, if you're a student and you can use your free time to do graphic designing and writing, you have to go forward and try this out. A language translator. So this is becoming more and more common, and the good thing about this is that I have experience because I have this good sister of mine. Her name is Atupele, and she's working as language translator, and she makes anywhere around $1,000 up to $1,500 every single month just by translating. And you can get hired by a company or a person, and you can start translating from this language to another language. And the good thing about this is that you can go to this website like Fiverr and Upwork. You can see there are a lot of clients, and right after joining on these platforms, Upwork and Fiverr, you'll be in a position to meet your potential clients. So you may want to go ahead and try to translate language from this language to another language. So if you know more than 2 languages, I think you're lucky enough to start making up to $2,000 a month, up to $3,000 a month just by translating a language to different people who may want to work with you. So I think this is the best idea. So as a student, you can start right now and you can start making money out of it. Right now we have tutoring. You can get paid reasonable amount of money by teaching people anything that you know that you think it has value inside it, and any skills that you have. By providing value, by teaching these skills to different people, you can get paid $18 per 1 hour. So I'm just going to show you this website, which is called VIP Kids. On this website you can get paid up to $25 by teaching kids English language. Just by doing that, you get paid $25, and I know a lot of people know English language, so you will have to go to this website which is called VIP Kids. But also there is this another website which is called School. On this platform you can teach various skills that you have, and you can make a lot of money just by doing that. So tutoring is becoming more and more common, and I really encourage you, you will have to go forward, join on this website and start making money. Alright, so this is our last idea so that you can do as a student, and you can get paid up to $1,800 every single month working as a foodie or package delivery. All you have to do right now, you have to go forward and sign up on application like Uber Eats, DoorDash, FedEx and apps, and you can make up to $3,000 a month just working as a foodie delivery or package delivery. So I know this can be very challenging to earn extra money while dealing with studies, so you have to make sure that you arrange well your timetable and you know what to do at what time. So I did hope that everyone is capable of doing all these ideas that I've mentioned in this video, and for me, I'm really grateful that I started creating content on YouTube, and this has changed my family life. But you will have to go forward and choose one of these, and I'm pretty sure that if you're just going to be serious for 1 year or 2 years, you can make a decent and reasonable amount of money, but also it really can change your life and your family's life. So this is a very important thing. You will have to do something today, no matter the circumstances. You just have to do it right now. You just have to do it this month. And the last thing that I want to tell you right now is that only 7 months left until we end this year. So you have to do something today. You have to do something big this year. Let's change our lives forever. Thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much.